वेलकम एंड वेलकम टू द फर्स्ट लेक्चर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन। और आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं नंबर सिस्टम के बारे में। तो आज हमारा टॉपिक है नंबर सिस्टम। तो इस लेक्चर में हम जानेंगे कि टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स क्या होता है, व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स, एंड वी विल डील विद सम क्वेश्चंस इन दिस लेक्चर। सो टाइप्स of numbers. The first type of numbers are natural numbers. So first type are natural numbers. What are natural numbers? All the counting numbers which are starting from 1 are called the natural numbers. The numbers which are counting and they are starting from 1 are called natural numbers. So all the counting numbers starting from 1 are called natural numbers. These natural numbers are denoted by capital N. ये नेचुरल नंबर्स क्या होता है, कैपिटल एन से डिनोट किया जा सकता है. सो दे आर डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल एन. सो इफ द नंबर्स आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1 एंड दे आर काउंटिंग, देन इट विल बी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 डॉट 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 डॉट. सो एन इक्वल टू 1 2 3 4 5 डॉट 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 डॉट. These are all natural numbers. Now the next type of numbers are whole numbers. Next type of numbers are whole numbers. Now what are whole numbers? Whole numbers क्या होता है? Whole numbers जो कि 0 से स्टार्ट होता है. ग्रुप ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर 1 से स्टार्ट होता है और whole numbers 0 से स्टार्ट होता है. The group of natural numbers which starts from 0 are called whole numbers. So whole numbers are basically, so what is the actual difference between a whole number and natural number? That a whole number starts from 0 and a natural number starts from 1. So a whole numbers are group of natural numbers which starts from 0 are called whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by capital W. Whole numbers are denoted by capital W. So it will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 dot 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 dot. These are all whole numbers. Here we go. Now the next type of numbers are integers. Next type of number are integers. Integers. What are now integers? Integers are the group of whole numbers and the negative of the natural numbers. Negative of the natural number means natural numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and negative of natural numbers will be -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा. So group of the negative of the natural numbers and the whole numbers are the integers. Clear? So integers are group of whole numbers and negative of natural numbers. So integers are denoted by capital Z. They are denoted by capital Z. So Z will be equal to -4 -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3 4 dot dot dot. So the negative of the natural numbers and the whole numbers which are starting from 0. ये बात क्लियर हुआ. Now the next type of number is rational numbers. The next type of number is rational numbers. Now what are rational numbers? This is very important. Rational numbers rational numbers are the numbers which can be represented in the form of P by Q. In the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Rational numbers are the numbers which are represented in the form of P by Q, where Q not equal to 0. मतलब क्या हुआ? So the numbers represented in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. So what are some examples of rational numbers? They are like 1/7 P by Q फॉर्म में है, P by Q फॉर्म में है. Here Q is not equal to 0. Q तो 7 है. 4/7, 5/3, 2/5, 1/8. These are all rational numbers जो कि रिप्रेजेंट होता है P by Q फॉर्म में. Now the next type of numbers are irrational numbers. The next type of numbers are irrational numbers. Sorry. Numbers. Now what are irrational numbers? Irrational numbers are those which cannot be represented in the form of P by Q. The numbers which cannot be represented in the form of P by Q. Rational numbers represent किया जा सकता है P by Q form में, but irrational numbers नहीं की जा सकती. Clear हुआ? So irrational numbers are numbers cannot be represented in the form of P by Q. And a very important point is they are non-terminating and non-repeating. इसके बारे में हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में बात करेंगे. But these irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-repeating. Irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-repeating. What are some examples of irrational numbers? Examples are √3, √7, √11, √17. These are all examples of irrational numbers. Now the last type of number are real numbers. Last type of numbers are real numbers. Very easy real numbers. Real numbers are very easy. Real numbers are those which consists of both rational and irrational numbers. Real numbers are those which consists of both rational and irrational numbers. So real numbers are consists of both rational and irrational numbers. ये बात क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं? So the numbers which consists of both rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Now we will do some questions. We will do some question answers and very very important question answers. जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हम करेंगे अब, ये हुआ बेसिक, थोड़ा सा बेसिक. अब ये बेसिक से हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे. ये बेसिक सीख के हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे. So the first question, which is very very important question from the exam point of view, is 0 a rational number? Is 0 a rational number? Can you determine it in the form of P by Q. So is 0 a rational number? Can you determine it in the form of P by Q? Look, 0 can be represented as 0 by 1. It is equal to 0. It will be equal to 0. 0 by 2. It will be equal to 0. 0 by 3. It will be equal to 0. 0 by 7. It will be equal to 0. So 0 can be written as 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, 0 by 8, ... So here, these are in the form of P by Q. Here Q is not equal to 0. What was the condition of rational numbers? Rational numbers जो कि represent किया जा सकता है P by Q form में, where Q is not equal to 0. So here in 0 by 1, Q is not equal to 0. यहाँ पर तो 1 है. 0 by 2, Q is not equal to 0. यहाँ पर तो 2 है. So yes, 0 is a rational number because it can be represented in the form of P by Q. So 0 is a rational number. Here Q is not equal to 0. Here Q is not equal to 0. So 0 is a rational number as it can be represented in the form of P by Q. Now the second question and the last question of this lecture is state true and false. State true and false. Number 1, where all natural numbers are whole numbers. Is it true or is it false? Is it true or is it false? थोड़ा सोचिए. All the natural numbers are whole numbers. So, is it true or false? Natural numbers mean the numbers which starts from 1. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, ... These are all natural numbers. And whole number means the numbers which starts from 0. So, whole numbers mean the number which starts from 0. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, ... So, all naturals are all naturals whole numbers. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0 हुआ 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. तो ये तो हुआ ना all natural numbers. यही तो है natural numbers. So yes, it is true that all the natural numbers are whole numbers. Natural numbers 1 से start होता है, whole number 0 से start होता है. तो all the natural numbers are तो whole numbers. These are तो all whole numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the whole numbers. So all the natural numbers are whole numbers. This is and is an important question. So अगले लेक्चर में हम इस बेसिक से और भी क्वेश्चंस लगाएंगे. टिल देन, गुड बाय, सी यू.